someone loitering around.
What's the address of the emergency?
North Columbine Street.
House, apartment, or business?
It's a house.
Okay, what's the emergency?
Yeah, I'm going to hand you over to my brother.
Sure.
Okay, hello?
Hi, what's the emergency?
Hello, yes. It seems like someone's just loitering. I think he's like tweaking. I don't think he's doing well.
So is he inside your house, in your backyard?
No, this is the neighborhood. Like basically right outside my neighbor's driveway.
Okay.
They were there and they just were sitting there and they're kind of looking suspicious a little bit. Like they're not my neighbor and I don't think they're home, but I tried to text my neighbor. But yeah, this person, I did walk up to them and ask them if they're okay.
Mm-hmm.
They seem to be a little bit off. Like they're probably like on something.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I just don't know if they're just kind of suspiciously.
So is he black, white, Hispanic, or Asian?
He seems to be white.
How old approximately?
I would say maybe like 30.
Height and weight?
He's a very skinny fellow, maybe
okay,
like
what about
5'10", about like 5'10", about 160. Like a green.
And what color pants?
Pants? I think they were like brown.
Is he alone?
Yes,
Does
he
he appear to
a backpack.
Does he appear to be a homeless person, a transient?
Yeah, he seems to be one of those.
Okay. Any backpack?
Yeah, looks like he has a backpack on.
Do you know if he has weapons or under the influence of any alcohol or mental problems? I know about the drugs.
I don't know if he has weapons, but he seemed to be carrying a brick at one point.
Okay. Does he still have that brick in his hand?
I don't know. I'm inside my house now.
Okay. Okay, we'll send someone out as soon as possible, okay?
Yes, thank you.
From John Marshall Elementary School, and I'm calling because there's a gentleman that has been outside of our, like, across our campus, but he's walking with a shovel, and it's been over an hour that he's been here, and it seems like the shovel is broken. At first he didn't have it on hand, but now he does, and when my coworkers went to lunch, they noticed them, and they came back an hour later, and
is this guy a male, white, in his 30s, 5'10", thin build, green shirt, brown pants, and backpack?
Yes.
Okay, so now he's moved. So now he's on Falmouth or on Columbine?
Falmouth.
Okay, one moment.
Yeah.
And he's on the sidewalk, correct?
He's on the street. He was at the entrance of, like, our parking lot, but now he moved to the street and is just pacing around.
But the last place you saw him was Falmouth?
Yes.
Okay.
One of my other coworkers also mentioned it, and they're like, oh, yeah, he's here.
So is he holding the wooden part of the shovel or the other side?
The wooden part, which seems to be broken because they took a picture.
Okay.
So
he
it's the
doesn't have the
wooden
actual
part.
shovel part?
It still shows, that the shovel is there at the bottom part.
Okay, so he's just carrying a shovel then?
Yeah, but it's broken
Okay.
He has it, like, carrying it, like towards his back, holding the broken part on hand.
One moment.
Mm-hmm.
We'll go ahead and send officers out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, bye.
Still on one.
No shit. Sit down. Sit down. Shot. Come here. Hey.
$125. Got a 998. The subject right now. I'm at a Falmouth and Holly.
Copy Falmouth and Holly unit 10-3 for 998.
$125. Got a 998. The subject right now. I'm at Falmouth and Holly.